Hello guys, how are you? Vladimir Ribakov here from Traders Academy Club. This video is has nothing to do with trading analysis, forecasts, reviews or anything like that. This video is simply to thank you for the amazing 2018 we've had. Thank you for being loyal, for all you do for me and for my team, for your support, for the time you dedicate to watch my videos, for following me, for giving me the chance to bring you my message and to try and give you my best knowledge and abilities to improve your trading. Happy New Year. As simple as that. Happy New Year. Best and warmest wishes I can think about. The best you can wish for yourself and for your people. That's what I would like to wish you from the bottom of my heart. I hope 2019 would be one of your best, maybe even the best year you've had. It's in your hands to go and create it. I hope and I promise to do all I can to make it happen for you. Trading speaking, of course. And I really want to wish you health. That's the most important thing, because when we are healthy, when we feel good, when we are energetic, when we are in our best, we can achieve our best. I'm not the first to say that. It's not a secret. So take very well care of yourself. Do the best for yourself and for your family. I want to wish you a good wealth, successful trading, successful life. For all those of you who are parents, I want to wish the best to your kids and grandkids maybe. And for all those of you who are looking to achieve new highs in 2019, I raise my virtual champagne for that and salute you. I really hope 2019 would be one of your best years, maybe even the best year if you want it to happen. I was trying to draw something. I will try to show it. Not sure if you can see that, but on behind me on my desk, I was trying to draw something with different colors. Not sure if it's, you see that? It says Happy New Year 2019 from Traders Academy Club. Maybe you can even see the balloons I was trying to draw. Well, drawing is not my best part. Maybe on charts I'm good, but as out of the charts, I'm pretty much middle. So once again, my dear friends, thank you very much for your support at my work, for being a loyal subscriber, for being a loyal follower, for giving me your time and mainly giving me the chance to help. I appreciate it. I wish you and yours only the best on earth, and I hope for peace on earth. When it's peaceful and we are healthy, we can achieve all the highs we want. Thank you very much. I wish you only the best in 2019. See you soon. Yours, Vladimir Ribakov, Traders Academy Club.